who will bark? Will you go and join? It is nonsense to think everybody should get 100 out of 100. That's not possible. It is like saying everybody should bring mountain. You don't need competition. You need cooperation. The idea of competition is total bogus and nonsense. Because I'll tell you, you should all know this. It's very important for your life, for others who are connected to your life. What do you mean by competition? Competition means you have to defeat somebody. That is the meaning of competition. It's very dangerous. We cannot be happy in this kind of a mindset. What is this always thinking how to defeat others, That's not the way human beings are supposed to live. We are supposed to not compete. We are supposed to cooperate. There is a difference between competition and cooperation. Cooperation means how to coexist. You and me, both of us should exist. That is called cooperation. Competition means I should exist. And you go away, you get lost or you die. I don't care. I should be top. So this is called competition. Competition is about defeating others. I should be the highest. Or I should alone be the one who gets everything. What happens to others, I don't care. So this is not correct thinking. This is demonic thinking. This is called demonic. Rakshasa thinking, it is competition. This divine thinking is cooperation. In the spiritual world, we need cooperation. In your home, you need cooperation. I'll tell you, tomorrow when you start working or you start your business, you will discover you don't need competition. You need cooperation. If you want to grow in your life really big, then you need cooperation. You cannot grow in your big through competition. Up to one level you can grow through competition. Defeat others and get competition. So what happens when we too much practice competition in our life? We develop a mentality of the selfish mentality. Only I am important, all others should be defeated like this. It will start impacting your personal life. This competition will get into everywhere in your life, with your own family members, with your own, whoever is connected to you. Everywhere this competition mentality will come. Then you will see they start avoiding. You don't like to be with anybody who likes to defeat you. Tell me, do you want to make a relationship with a person who likes to defeat you? Do you want to have a relationship? If you come to know, oh, this person is always thinking how to defeat me. Would you like to have a relationship with that person? You don't like. You feel unsafe. You feel uneasy. You feel uncomfortable with the person who is thinking how to defeat you. But if you come to know, oh, this person wants to cooperate with me. What does cooperation means? You also win, I also win. Both of us should exist in this creation of God. Then you will be very happy. So people like to work with those people who want to cooperate, not those who compete. Because you ask yourself, do I like to make any relationship with a person who likes to defeat me? Answer is no. Like that other person also is thinking, no, I don't want a person who likes to defeat me. That means through competition, we are developing a mentality where nobody wants anybody, because everybody is trying to defeat other. In the cooperation, we are thinking, not only me, you should also exist. Loka sarvajana sukhino bhavantu. This is Vedic culture. Loka sarvajana sukhino bhavantu. Everyone should be happy. Not only I should be happy. That is competition. In competition, what happens? Only I should win. What about all of you? You should all get defeated. You should all be unhappy. You should all be crying, and only I should be smiling. See, I am the winner. How everyone is crying. Then I am very happy. See, I defeated everyone. This is a demonic happiness according to Bhagavad Gita. Divine and demonic. Daivi asura sampada. This is asura happiness. Cooperation means, like me, atmavat manyate jagat. If I get defeated, I feel sad. Like that, if I defeat him, he will also feel sad. Why should somebody feel sad? Let's both of us be happy. Loka sarva jana sukhino bhavantu. Everyone should be happy. So this is divine thinking. Second thing, in competition, there is one wrong assumption. The assumption is everyone is equal. That is why we think we should do competition. But actually what we don't understand is nobody is equal in this world. In fact, we are all unique. Unique means everyone is different. When everyone is different, there cannot be competition. Competition is when there has to be an equality for competition. If I bring you must be, let's say, 20-year-old, and I bring some 2-year-old person and have running race competition, everybody will come and scold you. What nonsense is this? How can you have a competition like this? Hey, what is the wrong? He is also a human being, I am also a human. No. See, he is 2-year-old, you are 20-year-old. How can there be competition? Likewise, we are all different in different way. Bodies are different. Our minds are different. Our intelligence is different. Our ego is different. Our upbringing is different. Our parenting is different. Our previous karma is different. We are all unique. Our capacities are different. You take 1 liter bottle. You take 5 liter bottle. You take 10 liter bottle and you take 100 liter bottle. You put water in all the bottle, full. So now all are called full. Whether it is 100 liter, it is also called full. 1 liter is also called full. Pura bhar gaya. So that means their capacities are different. From the God's point of view, He will only see, are you full according to your capacity? He is not interested that 1 liter bottle, when it takes water equivalent of 5 liter bottle, then I am happy with this bottle. How can 1 liter bottle accommodate 5 liter water? It is not possible. There is no comparison. Competition brings comparison. Like the parents ask, see your classmate, he has got 90 marks. Why have you got 80 marks? No, why are you comparing like this? How can you compare? No, because both of you are in the same class. Both of us may be same class, but we are unique. We are different. Our capacities are different. This whole mentality of comparison is wrong. In Ramayana, all the monkeys are building bridge. You read that, you will come to know. Hanuman is bringing mountains. Some monkey is building one big rock. Another monkey is bringing some small stone. And there is Gilheri, that small squirrel, they are bringing small sand. Ram is not saying, all useless monkeys. Look at Hanuman. He is bringing mountain. All of you go and bring mountains. This is not the mentality of God. He is happy. Oh, you are doing your 100%. You are doing your 100%. You are doing your 100%. What we should do is, we should ask people, are you doing your 100%? If I am able to do my 100%, it is over. According to my 100%, if I can get 60 marks out of 100 and that's my 100%, you should also be happy. Everybody should be happy with that. It is nonsense to think everybody should get 100 out of 100. That's not possible. It is like saying everybody should bring mountain. No, our capacities are different. We have to admit this. We have to admit. Otherwise, we make some people feel very bad in the class. I've seen it during my school days. Some teacher used to beat some student. Useless fellow. Why you don't know? See, can you imagine what is happening to the psychology of that boy? He's constantly being compared with somebody in the class. He's getting 100. Why are you not getting? He's getting. Why are you not getting? This child start thinking, I'm useless. I'm good for nothing. And I can't do anything. You are damaging that person's psychology by comparing like this. But if you look at that way, okay, what is his capacity? Now if I tell in this room, everybody, come on, let's lift, some lifting competition will give. Everybody will lift according to their capacity. If physically we can be different, like that intellectually we can be different, no? If somebody of you come and lift this table, Aram se aisa utha diya, and you tell Prabhu, you also come and lift, I may not be able to lift. Why are you bringing me into this competition? My physical competence is different. Right? So if physically we all understand that everybody's capacity is like that, emotionally our capacities are different, intellectually our capacities are different, no competition, no comparison. The way we live in Krishna consciousness, according to Bhagavad Gita, we don't have any competition. Why? What does this competition mean? Competition means I have to defeat somebody else. Whom should I defeat? You know what is allowed? If at all there is competition, that competition is with you. You should have competition with yourself, not with anybody else. You can have competition with yourself. Oh, yesterday I did this. Today let me do better than yesterday. This is called self-excellence. You excel, but with yourself. The moment you think, no, I want to defeat him, this is where the problem comes. So Shastras allow you defeat yourself. You defeat your karma, you defeat your krodha, you defeat your anger, lust, greed, all this thing you defeat. If at all you have a desire to defeat, you defeat yourself. Why you want to defeat others? How can you defeat others? Their capacities are different. Their intelligence is different. Right? So, if the question is, how do we practice Krishna consciousness today? There is so much competition. I am not in the competition. You should first of all think, I am not part of this competition. First of all, who is deciding this competition? We are the one who decide the competition. If you decide, I am not part of this competition, immediately you are liberated from this game called competition. You tell, my competition is with myself. Today everybody is doing this mistake, including parents. Some parents say, oh, you see in the same college, somebody got a better package. Why you didn't get? See, we cannot compare like this. Constantly we cannot compare. You be happy with your performance. If you think I can do better, if you think that you can do better, you do better. Not because somebody is doing better, I should do better than that person. This is all demonic. You can improve yourself. What is the reference point of your competition? Your only. You are the reference point for yourself. Somebody else is not the reference point. Isn't it? So, this is the proper understanding. So, I can practice Krishna consciousness because I am not part of their competition. Let them have their competition. We are at least the good devotee should think, I am not part of any competition. Let them all tell, come, join our competition. You'd say, if you want, you compete. I don't want to compete. Imagine some 3-4 dogs on the roadside are doing some competition. Who will bark? Will you go and join? Some 3 dogs are having barking competition. Who will shout more? You shout. Why I have to join you? Then the 3 dogs will tell, you are a bad dog. First of all, I am not dog. You think whatever you want to think. I am not this body. I am not this part of this material world. You think whatever you want to think. I don't want to be part of this, dogs competition. So those who want to do competition, let them do. I want to have peaceful life so that I can do my Krishna consciousness.